In the words of the legendary manager Sir Alex Ferguson, Rashford is a sensation, one of the best we've had in years. Sorry, I didn't see you there. I was caught up in my book. Anyway, we all know beans on toast and cheese on toast. Well, this week's full-time meal is something new. Smashed peas on toast. You are gonna need 2 mugs of frozen peas, 1/4 of an iceberg lettuce, 4 slices of bread, 8 slices of square ham, some mint sauce, mayonnaise, grated cheese. Kitchen kit that you will need: 1 bowl, saucepan, a wooden spoon, knife, fork, sieve, roasting tray, like a thin-sided one so you can toast the bread on it, and your favourite mug. Turn the hob on. We're going to weigh out 2 mugs worth of frozen peas. People will think that frozen peas you've got to cook in a load of boiling salted water. Not true. Just get the saucepan hot, whack in the peas. Here, look at that. Those peas got ice on them, so the heat is just going to create steam, and that's how we're going to cook these peas. Whilst the peas are steaming, get yourself a book. Marcus Rashford made 211 appearances, combined 64 goals. Manchester United's most prominent strikers made 2020 season. Manchester United, however, Liverpool still won the league. As you can see here, as these peas are cooking, when you can get one of these peas and you can squish it like that means they're ready. Get yourself your sieve. I'm going to drain off any excess water. Peas into the bowl. Just going to leave them for about 5 minutes to cool down. Right then, peas have cooled just a little bit. Get yourself a fork, give them a good squish. Once you've got them about like that, I'm going to put in some mayonnaise. And then mint sauce, about another tablespoon. And then next into that, some lettuce. Now, I'll let you into a secret. What we're doing here is recreating a very classic and very posh French dish called petit pois à la française. Gonna finely shred 1/4 of an iceberg lettuce, as thin as you can. There's loads of green stuff in this, and you'll think, oh, my kids aren't gonna like that, but I'm telling you now, the sweetness of the peas, it's fantastic. My little man loves peas. And the more you stir it, the more it will become kind of all squashed together. Then get your bread under the grill. Now you're asking, why are you doing it in a toaster? Well, you'll see why. The grill's on because I'm going to put some cheese on it and grill it so the cheese melts. And you can't put peas and cheese on the top and put it back in a toaster. So just stick your ham top of the bread. Then spoon the mix and be quite generous onto the top. And once you've got your peas on, this is mozzarella, but you can use cheddar if you want. Sprinkle it over the top. Doesn't really matter what cheese you use. Now, the most important thing about this recipe to remember is when these go back into the grill, don't put this too close to the heat. So it gently cooks them, gently melts the cheese, heats up the peas, and doesn't burn the toast. They look amazing. It smells fantastic. I mean, things being served on toast is great, and that is a proper meal. That is a joyous bit of peas and cheese on toast. Let me see how you get on using the hashtag #FullTimeMeals and follow our page for loads more recipes.